Do you want to be more creative?
Yes.
Do you find yourself procrastinating?
Yes.
Do you feel like a creative imposter?
Yes.
Well, stop right there, because this is the channel for you.
I'm a man of my word.
My name is Darren Stokes and I've been a professional video creative for 22 years. And on this channel, I'll share with you how I and others are creative through experiences, thought processes and methods to inspire your creativity. I'll be investigating how to kick to the curb those doubts and detours with a series of creativity tips that work towards achieving creative flow. We'll also find out how other creatives approach their ups and downs in a creative podcast. So there you have it. If you're curious about creativity, whatever it may be, stay tuned, subscribe, and enjoy the journey.